In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right Zoho Books app on your Android smartphone. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now, to get the right Zoho Books app, you need to go ahead and look for Play Store app on your Android smartphone and search for your app. So mine is here. I'll tap on it, and then using this search bar here, search for the app by its name. If you can't see the search bar here, go ahead and find a search icon on bottom. You can see mine is on the right bottom corner. Tap on it and then just search Zoho Books like this, and then search it, and here it is. Go ahead and open it. Make sure it is from Zoho Corporation, and the tagline is accounting app Zoho Books. At the time of recording this app has a star rating of 4.9 with over 25,000 reviews. And also this app has over 1 million downloads, and the file size is approximately 40 MBs. So if you see these details, you'll know that you have the right app. To get it, go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Zoho Books accounting app and then install it on your smartphone. Once this has been installed, now you can proceed and tap on open to start using it. Or if you go back to your apps, now you should be able to see your app here. If you tap on it, here is the welcoming interface. Go ahead and sign in.